The time has finally come to commission the EI system. Download the Tigo EI app from your device's store. It is extremely important that the site has a strong Wi-Fi signal if you intend to use the customer's network to commission the EI system. Please contact Tigo support for more information and commissioning options if Wi-Fi is not available. To begin, open the app, log in, and touch the plus sign at the top right of the screen. This will add a new system to your login. Give the system a name and enter the planned turn-on date. Setting a date in the future will automatically enable the system to go live on that date. Tapping on Advanced Options allows you to enter your PV array tilt and azimuth. Next, use the phone's location service to automatically enter the site location, or tap Edit to manually enter the address. Tap Create. The system has now been created and you will be brought to the System Commissioning dashboard. Notice the System Info selection has a green check mark, indicating that section is complete. You can come back to this screen to change any of the information at any time. Now tap Select Equipment. This is where you will enter the details of the inverter, PV modules, and other equipment installed in the system. The first thing the EI app will do is attempt to connect to EI Inverter via Bluetooth. Allow Bluetooth operation on your device for this step. Tap Scan. The EI app will now search for EI inverters within range. Once found, the EI inverter icon will appear with its serial number. This is the EI setup screen that indicates connectivity and equipment status for all EI components. Notice that the internet status has a yellow exclamation point, indicating the absence of an internet connection. This is normal since we have not set up this connection. Tap Internet Settings at the top of the menu to begin. There are two methods for internet connectivity: Wi-Fi and hardwire Ethernet cable. If the Wi-Fi signal is not strong enough for this step, then you may need to add Wi-Fi signal boosters, or run an Ethernet cable from the customer's router to the EI inverter. We will continue with the Wi-Fi option. Swipe down to scan for local area networks. Select the customer's network and log in. You will need their network password to proceed. Once connected, tap Done at the bottom of the screen. Notice the green check mark indicating an internet connection. Tap on Inverter Settings to continue. Now tap View Details. Tap Edit to begin entering PV module information. You will enter this data for each string connected to the inverter. Enter the make and model of the PV modules, the number of modules on each string, and which MPPT terminal in the EI inverter the string is connected to. Tap Save when complete. You will be brought back to the EI setup screen. Tap Inverter Settings again to enter grid information. Select the grid code from the drop-down menu appropriate for your utility. Select the site grid voltage, either 208 or 240 volts. Enter the advanced options if necessary. Most of the time, these selections are optional. Tap Done to return to the EI setup screen. Clicking on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen will bring up a real-time status display of all EI equipment. Tap Done to return to the EI setup screen. Tap the back arrow until you reach the commissioning menu. Now we must add users to the system so that they can view the system on the EI app and EI portal. Tap System Access on the commissioning menu. Now tap the plus sign. Enter the email address and name of the site owner or other users in your company. This step is optional and can be entered or edited at any time. Saving the information will send an invitation email to set up and view their commission system or add them to the system if they are an existing user. And that's it. You have now commissioned your Tigo EI inverter and can now view it at any time, anywhere in the world, using the Tigo EI app or EI portal.